Welcome. In this video, we're diving into an important topic for all Telegram users: how to recover a deleted Telegram account. If you've accidentally deleted your account or need to regain access for any other reason, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the updated steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Telegram support page. This is your starting point, where you can reach out for assistance. Next, fill out the support form with essential information about your account. Be sure to include your username, email address, and phone number. This information is crucial for the support team to identify your account. Then, take a moment to explain your situation clearly. Provide as much detail as possible about why you want to recover your account. The more information you share, the better chance you have of a successful recovery. After you've completed the form and double-checked your entries, submit it to Telegram's support team. Patience is key here, as you'll need to wait for their response, which may take some time. It's important to remember that Telegram has specific policies regarding account deletions. Accounts that have not been active for 6 months are automatically deleted. Additionally, accounts found in violation of Telegram's terms of service may be banned, making recovery impossible. So keep this in mind during your recovery process. By following these steps and being patient, you can increase your chances of recovering your deleted Telegram account. Thanks for watching.